Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few days since I last did anything to the Miata. Um, and I'm thinking from the last video that you guys watched, you should have seen that the dash is back in, everything is buttoned up. Uh, Pretty much all I got left to do is the seats. So my daughter and I are thinking that we want to do the seats ourselves, but then I'm thinking that's a lot of work and maybe it's not something that we can handle, but we'll see. Um, but the issue is right now is that after I got everything back together, I cranked the car over to see if it's gonna start. It didn't start. It did crank over, and it is cranking over. Um, I checked the fuel line, see if any fuel's coming. I'm not getting any fuel. I did check the spark plugs first to see if there was any spark, and there is spark, so I know it's not the ignition. So I'm thinking it's the fuel pump because I didn't, once I turn the key, I'm not hearing that pump turn on. It could be the relay, I'm not sure, but I did order a new pump anyways just to replace it because the car's been sitting again for like 6 years. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to change that fuel pump and maybe also change the fuel filter. I ordered both of them off Amazon and they did come in yesterday and the day before. So I'm gonna go at it, see how far I get. Disclaimer, I am no professional mechanic. I've never done anything like this before. So you guys just bear with me. Okay, so in order to get to the fuel pump, you gotta get this carpet up. And it's held in by 5 clips. There's one over there all the way on the left, one right here, one right here, one right here, and then this one. So just like with most of anything else plastic on this, they're all brittle. The 4 that I took out, they all break or broke, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this one off and show y'all that. Let me see if this one breaks as well. And there you go. Aye. So that one snapped also. I'm gonna get the needle nose pliers and pull that out. Why is my light on? Oh. Alright, so I got my neighbor to help me take that top off. It's not really heavy, but it's too wide for me to get a grip on it. Alright, so that's the soft top convertible, but it's in bad shape. Look at this. Got the glass back, which is good. It's not the plastic one. But like I said again, that soft top, it's in bad shape. Look at all this coming off of it. Alright, so got this up, but for some reason this installation, it's stuck to this metal piece. So I got this little tool where I picked up from Harbor Freight, and just gonna scrape it. I think I'm gonna start from that side. I think the moisture from the soft top probably leaking, and then it got in here and all that crap got stuck. Alrighty, so I got the plate off. Now I gotta get these hose clamps off and the connector. Alright, so I got the plate off. I got the two clamps off. Let me go get me a latex glove. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this clip off. Put you off to the side. Then I got this towel here. Oh, because I know this fuel is gonna leak out. Ask me how? Because I had already pulled it off and it leaked. And now I got like 8 little Phillips screws that I gotta pull out. All right, all 8 is out. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is just ridiculous. Ugh. Oh my gosh. This is just horrible. All right, I'm gonna have to clean, like, take it off, clean it up, and put the new pump in. Ooh. All right, well, I thought this was gonna be just a quick swap out of the fuel pump, but apparently not. So I'm gonna have to take this thing apart and clean it up, but I'm gonna do it off camera. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days since I did any work on the Miata. Had a busy weekend, my daughter's baby shower, then I had to go out of town that Sunday. Today's Tuesday, Monday was busy. So last one I left off, I had taken out the fuel pump, and that thing was just horrible. Apparently, like, the rubber that held the pump to the sending unit melted, and it's just horrible. You guys will see the video and photos. Anyhow, so this is part of the sending unit that I cleaned up, and I sent this, gave it to my neighbor. He said that at his work he can have it sandblasted, which he did, and it came out decent. Alright, so I got this sandblasted as well, and when I took it out, it was just filthy, disgusting. So came out pretty good, smooth. I don't feel any of the rust or anything like that, any buildup on it. So I got the fuel filter that came in, and also the Denso fuel pump. So this one should be like a direct drop-in. I already ordered the fuel tank because I don't believe that the fuel tank is any good anymore, because I saw that there was rust inside the tank, and right now there's a lot of old gas that's inside the tank that I need to get out. So I went to Harbor Freight and got me a couple of those buckets, and also a transfer pump so I can remove all the gas from the fuel tank. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, put some batteries in it, and see if it works or how well it works, so I can start draining that old gas that's in there. Okay, so I got this pump in there, and it feels like it's hitting the bottom. Yeah, it's on the bottom. So hopefully there's nothing down there that would clog this thing up. I doubt it, because it kind of has a filter on there. So I'm gonna turn this pump on and start pumping this gas. Hopefully it doesn't come spill out. Woo! Look at that. Works pretty well. But as you can see, the color of that gas, it is no good. Like for when I first focus. There we go. When I first removed the fuel pump, no, I know that's not all the gas that's in there, because I know I put like 5 gallons. I think maybe I have to adjust. Alright, well, it seems like that's all of it, and I would have to remove the hardtop again to get to this, because I can't see in there. Ooh. I don't really trust this fuel tank, and like I said, the new one's on order. It should be here either next Tuesday or Wednesday, and it's gonna be a lot of work to replace that tank, because I'm gonna have to really drop the rear end and just a lot of stuff. And being that this car is on an incline in my driveway, I'm gonna have to probably just back it out in the street and do the work there. Okay, so this is what the gas looked like, and if you look at the edges around, like around the edges of the bucket, you can see like all the rust sediment that's seated at the bottom there. And again, the gas is not very clear, so most of it has been sitting in that car for 6 years, so I didn't expect it to come out looking clear anyway. So, and I lost pretty much the light. I can't take the hard top off. I don't want to take it off. I can take it off, but I don't want to take it off because I don't really have a whole lot of time to check to see if there's any more gas in there, but I'm pretty sure that there's still some gas left in there. Maybe tomorrow after work I'll pop the top off, raise the soft top, and recheck it. But I guess for now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting that fuel pump together. Yeah, my table's a mess. My daughter cleaned it up and put stuff on there, but I got everything all jumbled up right now. So I'm gonna take these inside and start working on it. Okay, so after reading the instructions on this, it's pretty simple. Alright, so I have to pop the cap off of the inlet tube for the fuel pump and attach the strainer. So on the strainer, it has a guide, and this guide is going to be attached to that pin right there. So I just put it on, make sure it's snugged on there, and then we have this little clip that has to go on this end, but this is gonna be a little pain to get on. Okay, so finally got that clip on. So now I am working on getting this grommet in all the way. Okay, so the fuel pump assembly is complete. Got the orientation and everything correct. The rubber grommet that was on the bottom here had melted, and I didn't get a replacement one. I'm not sure where I can get one, but these zip ties should work. So tomorrow when I get home, I'm gonna hook it up and turn the key to the on position to see if this pump is working. All right, see y'all on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, put your notification on. Peace out and one love.